Hello and welcome to today's video. In this guide, I'll show you how to manage and hide custom words, phrases, or even unwanted messages and comments on Instagram using your Android phone. If you're tired of spam or offensive content, this feature can help you create a more comfortable Instagram experience. First, open the Instagram app on your Android phone. Then, click the three horizontal lines at the top right. Then, scroll down until you find Hidden Words. Under Hidden Words, tap on Manage Custom Words and Phrases. In this section, you can type any word, phrase, or emoji you want to hide. For example, type the word offer or any other word you commonly see in spam messages. After typing the word or phrase, tap Add. You can add as many words or phrases as you want. Once done, go back and activate the options Hide Comments and Hide Message Requests. This will automatically block any content containing those words. That's it. You've now customized your Instagram experience to reduce annoying or offensive comments and messages. Now you know how to filter out specific words and phrases on Instagram using your Android phone. If this helped, consider liking the video, subscribing, and sharing it with your friends. Thanks.